Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm gonna tell you guys how to remove followers in Bluesky. So the exact direct remove follower option is not added, but there is this one thing which is called soft block, which means you block someone and then you unblock them, and that removes them from your follower and following list. So simply you need this code, and the subject would be the DID of the user that you're blocking created at. This new date would be the current timestamp when you block it. And to unblock them, just use this code right over here. And then the repo is for the DID of the user that you want to unblock. And then R key is the record key of the block record, which you will find up over here. And this is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. And I'll see you guys in the next one.